In this tutorial, we will look at how to make changes and additions to our contact form, which is a type of web form that comes pre-configured with every Plus or Premium plan website. The contact form allows you to collect information from a user and then have it emailed to you. In this form, we collect a name, an email address, a subject for the email, and the message that the user wishes to send. Notice too that we have a simple CAPTCHA math challenge. This is to prevent spammers from abusing your website. To make changes to our form, we'll click the Edit tab. Notice that we have similar options that you would see on any standard page, such as menu settings and a title. We also have a page text field instead of a body field, which is the text that is shown above the contact form. Down below is the confirmation message, which is displayed after a user has submitted the form. For this tutorial, we will make 3 changes to our contact form. We will change the email address that submissions are sent to, we will add a new field to collect a phone number, and we will add a list of checkboxes for visitors to indicate what they are interested in. To change the email address that submissions are sent to, we go to the field labeled Email to Address and simply change the email. Then scroll to the bottom and click Save to save our changes. It's a good idea to submit a test message using your contact form after making this change, just to make sure you entered a valid email address. But we'll skip this step for now. Now we will add a new field for phone number. Once again, we click the Edit tab, but this time we'll go to the Form Components section, which lists all of the components that make up our form. At the bottom is the place to add a new field. Let's call our field Phone Number. Next, we choose what type of component this will be. Most information can be collected as a text field, which is a single line of text, like name or subject. An email type will validate that a proper email address was entered. A text area, such as message, allows the user to enter multiple lines of text. In this case, we will make it a simple text field. If we want to make this a required field, we can check the mandatory checkbox, but we will leave it unchecked so that this field is optional. Notice that the email checkbox is checked by default. This means that the input will be included in the body of the email that is sent to you. You almost always want this field checked. Now click the Add button. Once we add a new field, we are presented with some more advanced options for the component. For this simple text field example, we will simply save it with all the default options. The last thing we want to do is move this field to the proper location on our form. We'll put it right here underneath the email field. To move it, you click on the arrows next to phone number and drag it to the desired location. Then remember to click the Submit button to save your changes. If we view our form now, we can see that the new phone number field is here in our form. Now let's add our final feature, the volunteer checkbox options. We'll again click our Edit tab and then Form Components to add our new component. We'll call this new component Reason for contact. For type, we want to choose Select. Since someone could choose not to select any options, we will not make this field mandatory. Now when we add this new component, we can add our checkbox options. Most of the values on this page can be left as is, but let's go to the Options field where we'll add our options. We'll type 1 per line. So we'll add, I want to become a precinct chair, and then go to the next line. I want to write letters to the editor. Next line. I want to make phone calls. And finally, I want to learn more. We want our users to be able to choose more than one option. So we're going to select this multiple option. Then click Submit. Now when we view our contact form, we'll see our list of options that our visitors can check. The web form content type has many features and can be used for more than simply a contact form. Try experimenting with other component types and features. Just remember to always test your form after making changes, even small changes, to ensure that it is working as expected. There's nothing worse than missing out on messages from potential volunteers and supporters.